You too. Get there and be square. Jacoby said that.
Big up yourself, yeah, my family and friends. But look on this look a crook. Away, man, do? Like him not know say camera and watch him. Look on this foul. A barefoot robber was caught on tape playing as the Jamaican Council of Force is asking you, see if you can help me catch him today. Yeah, this criminal here where you look on the screen broke in the people them house. You are gonna take. And after I'm broke in the people them house, you don't know say the boy thief for over $1 million worth of gold and jewelry and them thing there. And the government a beg you to say, yo, if you don't know him, cause the fool show him face on the camera and them all barefoot. It's a Brazen robbery in the middle of the day. Him get caught on the camera. The police help asking you for help to catch this criminal, you know, because he have swiped about $1 million worth of jewelry and cash according to reports. The man dressed in a black pullover and short pants equipped with a knapsack, noticeably had no footwear. So right now he's inside of the people them house and move around. It was evident that the robber was unaware that he was being recorded because the clown had his face visible. Look on this fool on the camera. So it's obvious him not know what a go on in a 2023. Everywhere you go, everywhere you be, you're there on camera. Our voice recognition is coming for thee. It is a simple case of make we get this clown off the street. Get back the people them thing because of the wrong food him go eat. Multiple angles of the robber. In the frame, showing the pictures and on the video posted online. It depend Instagram. It depend YouTube. It depend pink wall. So you shrink right now, you're not standing tall. Listen, the Jamaican police are looking to identify this man. This is a brazen burglary at a home. It's in Belvedere Heights, Redhills. If me didn't know say a Redhills, me done call me Jennas and make your blood spill. Imagine good Redhills. It appears that this fool took $1 million in jewelry and money last week. If you have any information about this crime, may I tell yourself it call 119. One angle showed that the robber is searching the dresser furiously for valuables and possession. Him never put none there. You are going to see some rat chop should have in a drawer for make him get a tra-la-la-la-la-la. Listen, my family and friends. After the man found the items that he found suitable, look what it thieving boy do. The boy put in a pocket and some of them in the bag. The boy was working hard because him all a wipe off sweat off him face like say a work him did a workout. Based on the timestamp on the video, the robbery took place in the middle of the day, 3 p.m. Imagine them boy as somebody when know the owner. Another side from the post show that the robber is in a different section of the house. You hear what me say? See the boy in the living room. You are going to see the boy forward round at the see him round here so in the bedroom. You are going to see the boy in the living room now. Him spread out. You are going to the boy spread out like say a for him thing, like say him all a search up sofa and everything. But guess what? This boy gone over in our living room. The man continue on his risky quest of searching inside the bag and a sofa. The other side of the post shows that the image of the intruder in an effort to get help from the public. Please identify this man, and that the poster say, listen to me family and friends. Right now, I am perturbed because them things happened to me before and you feel violated, totally violated. Listen, me never have $1 million in my house with them thief or jewelry. The boy them thief out me big back TV. Imagine a couple of years ago me did have one big back Sony. So I guess that was going, that I did the hit. But black people told thief. North, south, west and east. Them thief you at your own yard and them thief you out the street. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Subscribe, like and share. Call 119 if you see this thief. Jamaica's Council Barefoot is looking for this barefoot robber. The boy run up in a Redhills. Imagine the boy knows the money did a middle day. 3 o'clock p.m. Belvedere Heights, Redhills. Something no seems right. The boy pray the people them left and right. Or something where no say no left the yard for the whole night. A more life, a more joy, and a more happiness. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Build up the Rastaman panel, like me say. Me have whole heap to talk about, but me have to put a little cut in between. So I man, when I man a chop it up, yeah. If you like to hear the content straight, just become a member. And you'll get the straight content then. But you know, say, with the low attention span, man, I have to just go and deal with it one. So, stick with me, because I have so whole lot more things to talk about. You are going to all spies try to fight off people over foreign. You are going to me want to hear that one, yeah. Remember to go over to TikTok, yeah, and don't flip-flop. Follow me on the tip top. Leave your comment. Big up General. You are going to, yeah. Give me the thumbs up there, family and friends. You're on the live, just go and give me the thumbs up. You are going to, because them things they agitate the algorithm. At least that's what I heard. Share it up with a friend. Anyone that you think would like the Rasta man commenting on the nose. But I'm telling you, them boy have to get bro. Yeah. Don't forget bros.
Rastaman and a real fire king. Boy, fire king. Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah.
Pick up the TV. Respect. Make sure to tune in. You hear? Every time.